How to fix sending messages failed in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix your sending messages failed in Messenger application. So this kind of issue usually occurs when the user has actually reported your messages, or that you've gone against the community guidelines, or that you're actually sending the messages at a very short period of time. So in order to avoid this situation, you can try following the steps. The first thing is you can go and update your Messenger application. So when you actually log in into your Facebook account, it's going to take you to this field where you need to go ahead and take a screenshot of the following error messages. And when you actually go ahead and take a screenshot, then you need to head back to your chat page and tap the try bar icon and go to the gear icon from the top right hand side. And right on this page, you need to scroll down a bit. You need to go ahead and tap on report technical problem. Right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on report anyway and click on include. After you've done that, it's going to show you this page where you can go ahead and type in the message in detail information, and as you've taken the screenshot, go to your camera rolls and upload the screenshot as well, and type in what sort of issues that you're facing on. And once you've done that, you need to click the send button from the top right hand side corner and wait patiently until you get further notified. So in this way, you can fix sending message failed in Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.